Hello, everyone. My name is Aisha Oshilaye, a cloud engineer with a passion for turning complex systems into simple solutions. Welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the world of cloud computing with a special focus on Microsoft 365 and Azure. Whether you're just starting out or scaling enterprise level infrastructure, I'll be sharing tutorials, tips, and real world insights into helping you navigate the cloud with confidence. So if you're ready to level up your tech game, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide to Microsoft 365. In this video, we'll explore what Microsoft 365 is, how it differs from Office 365, its features, who uses it, and the licensing plans available. Then we'll dive deep into the Microsoft 365 portal itself so you can see how to navigate the environment and get hands-on with the applications. Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based productivity suite of application. It combines familiar Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint with powerful cloud services such as OneDrive, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and the rest. It also includes enterprise-grade security features and AI tools that help you work smarter. Microsoft 365 versus Office 365. Many people still ask, what is the difference between Office 365 and Microsoft 365? Office 365 was mainly about the Office applications and email, talking about Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Microsoft 365 is a broader scope. It includes everything in Office 365 with enterprise mobility and security. That includes Windows 10 or 11 services, advanced security features, and tools that support collaboration and mobility. Think of Microsoft 365 as the next evolution. So it encompasses a modern and comprehensive solution. Who uses Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is used by almost everyone, from businesses of all sizes, schools, governments, non-profits, and even families. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a part of a large enterprise, Microsoft 365 has a plan for you. Capabilities of Microsoft 365 include, but not limited to, the full suite of Office applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. We also have cloud storage with OneDrive, so your files are available anywhere. We also have collaboration features through Microsoft Teams and Microsoft SharePoint. We also have security features like multi-factor authentication, data protection, identity protection, and governance. We also have AI-powered features like Copilot, which help you save time and make you productive. The use cases for Microsoft 365 can also be found in its capabilities, which include collaboration with Teams and SharePoint, file sharing with OneDrive and SharePoint as well, productivity with Word, Excel, PowerPoint. We have security with data security and data compliance, identity protection, identity governance, and all of it using Microsoft multi-factor authentication, conditional access policies, and the rest. We also have automation with Power Automate. In the Microsoft 365 environment, you are able to secure your environment, you're able to automate your tasks, streamline your workflows to make your work easier. For Microsoft 365, there are flexible licensing plans. Microsoft 365 comes with several subscriptions, not limited to these ones, the ones I'm going to list out now. We have the business plans comprising of basic, standard, and premium. We also have enterprise plans for large enterprises with more than 300 users. We have the E1 license, the E3 license, and the E5 license. We also have education plans for schools and universities. We also have personal and family plans for individuals and households and families. Each plan offers different combinations of applications, of storage, and of security capabilities. What are the benefits of Microsoft 365? With Microsoft 365, you will be able to work anywhere and anytime. You will be able to work at any time, from anywhere, from any device. Microsoft 365 also improves teamwork, enhances security, scales with your need, and keeps updating with the latest features, including AI tools. So with Microsoft 365, you get flexible and cost-effective plans and subscriptions in accordance to your needs. In order to navigate the M365 portal, you can go to office.com. Let's navigate that path. I'm going to leave this slide to port to the portal. We're going to go to our browser. You can use any browser of your choice. Just go to, okay, I already have one here. Just go to www.office.com, where you can sign in with your Microsoft account. Let's switch gears and have a look at the Microsoft 365 portal. So I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft 365 account. Okay, this takes us to the AI powered Microsoft 365 Copilot. Takes us to the Copilot, but we can go to Microsoft 365 www.office.com. Office.com. Office login, where we get to see all of our applications. Okay, we keep coming back here to Microsoft 365 Copilot. And let's not forget that Microsoft 365 Copilot is embedded in the Microsoft 365 portal. So even if you are here, we can from this particular interface, which is a Microsoft 365 Copilot chat. It's also a feature of Microsoft 365, an AI-powered feature in Microsoft 365 to help you make your work easier and faster. You can just go to the apps here. You can come to the apps where we get to see all of the apps, the key application of Microsoft 365. You can also use portal.office.com to navigate to Microsoft 365 portal. Portal.office.com. So we still come here into the same interface. We are on the same interface, which is the Microsoft 365 Copilot. So, but then this Microsoft 365 Copilot is embedded within our Microsoft 365 environment. And these are all the apps. You can go to all apps to see them. You can see we have Outlook, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which are the Office 365 applications. And now we have OneDrive, we have Teams, we have SharePoint. If we come back to all apps, we see Bookings, which is for scheduling and managing appointments. We have Calendar for managing and sharing your schedule. We have Connections, which is it allows us to access personalized tools. We have Engage, which allows us to connect co-workers within an M365 environment. We have Forms, which we can use for surveys and quizzes to get real-time results. We have Insights, we have Learning, Lists, Loop, Tags, OneDrive, People, which is used to group and manage contacts. We have Planner, we have Power Automate, we have SharePoint Project, and all of the rest of the key applications. These are the key applications. We have To Do as well, which we can use to manage our tasks. These are the key applications that are embedded within a Microsoft 365 environment. So if we're going to back to the slides now. So now that we have surveyed the Microsoft 365 portal and applications that there are, There are many more of them, more than we have actually seen, depending on your subscription. Each app works online in your browser, and most of them have desktop and mobile versions too. Microsoft 365 is not just the software. It's more than the Office apps. It's a lot more than the Office apps. It's a complete productivity ecosystem, and also comes with advanced security and compliance features. With Microsoft 365, you have flexible plans for everyone. Now that you have seen both the big picture and the practical button navigation, you are ready to start exploring on your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Microsoft 365 tips. See you in the next video. Bye.